coming in the front and center, state your name and game. Yeah, the me side is back and we came to bang. Giving it up, Peters and Chucks, rag hanging. Strictly insane and we do the damn thing.
It's the big bad east side road. Now how many blocks we controlling? 202115171119 and the mafioso down.
Myrtle block to the swamp, front of grandmama house. Elm Street, 12th Street, all brands knock 'em out. Stay deep, brain heat, make streets the moves. Young G's, little G's, casualties of war. So we push the turf, steady puts it work. Homies love seeing thugs, so we look for dirt. When them 6-4s hot, then the Crip slang rocks. Want a trip get dropped, when your disc get socked.
All black with a little bit of gold. Now let me show you young busters how east side roll. Foot to the pedal, heavy hand on stiletto. Extra clip for you, booyah, pinchy long ghettos. I'm about to make the thing crack. We got straps in this wood, I got something more fat. Yeah. Tell you young busters, damn, it ain't no thing when you bang with the dog pan.
I love it, the way the homies come through, all blue, nigga, what y'all wanna do?
I love it.
We got hoes to the left, platinum on our chest, nigga, yep, yep.
I love it.
Can't stop, won't stop, so what that LBC
I
live?
love it.
We do the damn thing all night, better yet, for life.